Hiring someone new? That's one way to build your team. But today we're building something different. Virtual interns. Trained, tireless, and terrifyingly clever. Instead of hiring, we're creating. And the way we do it? Custom GPTs. In this video, I'll show you how to build your AI team. Give them actual job titles, train them to ask smart questions, and keep them learning over time. Hi, I'm Andrew, and I've been using AI tools since the very beginning, and I've watched ChatGPT grow from its early days to the powerful tool it is now. I'm here to help you make the most of AI in your business. So here's the idea. You've got work to do, but instead of doing it all yourself or hiring 5 full-time people, why not create 5 custom GPTs? One for meetings, one for content, one for data, one for outreach, and one for research. They're not just tools, they're virtual interns. Think of them like junior hires that live in your browser. Always on, never need coffee, learn fast, get better every time you use them. So instead of typing a new prompt every time you say, Alex, prep me for the 2 p.m. client call, and Alex knows exactly what you mean. So let's look at these interns. And let's talk about Alex, because Alex is our meeting strategist. Alex prepares agendas, suggests talking points, handles objections, drafts summaries and follow-ups. Alex is the ultimate prepper who turns a vague client meeting into a focused, high-value session. You just drop in an email thread or meeting notes and Alex builds structure from chaos. Then we have Jamie, our content strategist. She is your creative brain in a tab. Jamie takes messy voice notes or loose ideas and turns them into blog posts, LinkedIn content, outlines and emails. You describe the tone once, Jamie remembers. You feed in raw ideas, Jamie polishes them. This in turn turns content dread into drafts on demand. Next we have Sam, our data analyst. Sam lives for data. Give them a spreadsheet and they'll pull insights, flag risks, or even generate charts with working code. They won't just regurgitate stats, they'll help you make decisions faster without waiting for one person in your team who understands pivot tables. And 2 new joiners. Our first is Riley, our business development scout, your finger on the pulse. Riley scours Reddit, competitor sites, job boards, and product reviews. Ask what others are saying, doing, or charging. Riley brings it back in plain English. Perfect when you need market intelligence without sifting through 18 tabs. Last but not least, we have Priya, our research assistant. When you need to deep dive into a topic, industry trends, policy impacts, customer personas, Priya does the digging, and she explains it like a pro. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, structured research in minutes, not hours. These 5 interns are exactly what you need for your business. So how do you hire one of these AI interns? It's easy. You create them inside ChatGPT. And here's how it works. We'll create Jamie the content strategist together. First we open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and click Create. Name your intern. Jamie, content strategist. When asked to describe their role, paste in your AI briefing template. And if you don't know what that is, look at the last video and it takes you through what to include in the briefing template. Be clear about their tone, the audience, format preferences, and so on. Upload example posts, emails, or style guides to help them understand your voice. Choose an icon and then hit save. Now you have your intern. Every time you need content, just go to Jamie and they'll already know the tone, audience, and format. No need to repeat yourself. But we need to keep your team sharp. Real teams have weekly stand-ups. Your AI team, they get a live document. Create one central AI intern briefing document and include in that document your audience, who you're helping, your tone of voice, warm, witty, formal, your current goals, a launch campaign, a new service, audience shift, your product or service descriptions, your company mission or tagline. And you'll want to update it weekly or monthly. You need to keep it short, just the essentials. And then you've got two great ways to use it. Upload the document into each custom GPT and create a 3-line summary and use it to paste into every prompt you use with ChatGPT. Could say something like, team update. We're focusing on UK-based consultants, 40 to 55, warm but expert tone. Main offer equals AI onboarding service. Pain point equals overwhelmed by tech. This keeps your interns in sync with your evolving business, and it means their responses stay relevant even as your strategy shifts. Now, this next point is the game changer. Most people stop after creating the GPT, but what makes them smart isn't just their job description, it's this. If anything about the task is unclear, ask 2 to 3 clarifying questions before starting. That one sentence trains your intern to think, not just generate. Now, Jamie might ask, who's the audience for this post? Do you want to focus more on storytelling or strategy? Should I include a call to action? And your answer helps Jamie do a much better job. That back and forth, that's where you have upped the game. Now you've got interns. They're trained. They're asking questions. They're learning. But you're still orchestrating their activities every minute of the day. To get your interns to be the self-starters you want as your employees, you'll need to watch this next video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.